Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a bio in your Facebook application. So once you have opened your Facebook app, simply click on this fourth tab, which is the profiles tab in your Facebook application. Once you have clicked here, you can see this edit profile button with a pencil icon right here. Simply click on this edit profile button and here you can see that this is the bio field. Simply click on this add button or the describe yourself option. Once you have clicked here, you can simply write a short bio to tell people more about yourself. This could be anything such as a favorite quote or whatever makes you happy. So for example, I am just writing anything, and then once you have finished typing the sentence or the paragraph, simply click on the save button at the top right corner. Then once you have clicked the save button, here you can see that your bio has been updated. To verify the changes, simply go back to your profile and try refreshing. And here you can see that now under my name my bio is appearing as it should. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.